Okay guys, I'm gonna put the gold box in the saloon. And Walker, keep an eye on these two goomers. No singing, no dancing.
Okay. You girls heard Isabel. No singing, no dancing.
Why don't you just sit back and relax, Deputy? Okay, now let's give a round of applause. And we're gonna do the woo! Okay, Trixie, that's enough of that. Okay, give me a D! D! Give me E! E! Give me a P! P! Give me a...
Erica! Would you guys just cut her out? You're gonna make me call Isabel, and she's not gonna let you have anything to eat tonight.
Yep. It's worse than I thought. Yeah, you're kind of stressed, aren't you?
I like to sing.
Sing? You like to sing? Oh, we could perform those audience on YouTube. I'm thinking about my darling. No, let's try Wannabe.
But Isabel says do not sing.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. What's going on? I thought I told you. No singing, no dancing. You better stay away until Walker's dancing.
What do you mean, Erica?
We roll. Yeah, it's tougher than that. Erica and Trixie, I'll lock you two up. For what? Impersonating entertainers. What? You can't do that. Yeah, these people love our singing. Oh yeah? Then we'll see about that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you a question. Would you like to hear these two goofballs sing more? Yeah! Or would you rather see some action of gunfights and fistfights and whatever's left? Woo! Woo! It stinks! Stinks! It stinks! Erica and Trixie, you are both under arrest. Oh yeah? Get your hands up! That's right! This is a train robbery. Now, Trixie and I will be collecting your valuables and stuff. Your cash, your gold, your jewelry, your cell phones, and your credit cards. Erica? What is it, Trixie? I can't do this. I'm too scared. Don't be a chicken, Trix. Now listen, you have two choices. Go over there and have a good old-fashioned gunfight. Or run away like a 4-year-old girl who just lost her Destiny CD. Now what's it gonna be? Now! Don't worry, Erica! I got this! Trixie, get down! Get down! Yeah! Okay! Not that kind of get down! Get off the roof!
Mamma mia, what's going on out here? Can I eat some spaghetti and meatballs in peace?
So sorry about that, Marshal Mario. It's just that these two goofballs were trying to rob the train.
Who the heck are you guys?
I'm Erica. And I'm Trixie Jumbo. And together, we are the Singing Bandits! Oh yeah, we'll show you. You two have already shown it to us. Oh yeah? I don't think we show you this one already. I'm in. Yeah, we'll tell you where you are.
Will you girls shut up?
Hey, you stole our sound! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Man, I gotta have more bullets!
Oh boy.